After West New York Mayor Felix Roque stepped down from the stand on day 6 of his commercial bribery trial, the defense and the state attorney general's office both gave their closing arguments to the jury.
Chris Adams, co-counsel for Roque in the matter, said that this case isn't actually about patients being for sale, it's about criminals trying to take time off their jail sentences.
If it was probation for sale or plea deals for sale, that's what this case was about, sure. But this case had nothing to do with patients for sale. Felix had no obligation to testify, but you saw him, he sat there, last witness. He had nothing to hide. And if you notice, other than to object merely to the way the question was about money, didn't even object. Let him sat there, answer all the questions. The only two sideboards were the judges, not ours. Did he answer all those questions? Of course he did.
After commending Roque for voluntarily taking the stand, Adams took his time to tear into each of the state's witnesses, particularly dissecting Rehan Zuberi, the state's key witness.
His father's charged, his wife is charged, his father's charged, his in-laws are charged, his friends are charged. I mean, those are his fronts. His fronts got in trouble now. He's going to have to really work hard to get them out. So what does the state dangle in front of him? And focus on this when you go to the jury room and look at his plea. This serial criminal, serial liar, they dangle in front of him. They say, if you deliver bodies, you can stay out of jail. Just give us names. That's what the testimony was. He didn't have to convict them. They don't have to lead the conviction. They don't have to lead the charges. They don't have to plead guilty, anything. He just has to name names. And that gives him credit off his time. Make no mistake about it, that's about it. That's what they put in front of him. Talk about incentivizing, what motive you have to say anything. You just have to give names. They don't name names, they don't get the deal. They don't name the right names, they don't get the deal. They don't name the right conduct, they don't get the deal. It's only when Roque keeps coming back to them for more that they ultimately agree on the deal.
After roughly an hour, Adams implored the jury to seriously consider what reasonable doubt is, as well as the inconsistent statements made by just about every witness.
You have questions about whether or not these witnesses are motivated by vehicle treatment, because you're going to see names in these charges. And every single one, Rehan Zuberi, Mark Raja, G.D.B. Leone, Ramon Urania, Daniel Chaudhry, Jose Lopez, Detective Carell, all of them had prior inconsistent statements. They said something different than they said to you.
Medicaid Fraud Control Unit Chief Deputy Attorney General Peter Sepulveda said a number of the conclusions drawn by Adams were off the mark or incorrect.
Let's explain these inconsistencies, or rather, the misrepresentation of these inconsistencies. We talked on the defense closing that Rehan Zuberi, his real deal is for 1 year, 8 months. You know what? That's not true. You'll see on the plea letter, on the plea forms, the plea entered into is 2 years and 8 months. At one point, someone made a miscalculation. Everyone knows that on the 8-year sentence, the minimum parole eligibility, the lowest it could be, 2 years and 8 months. To say it was really 1 year, 8 months, really mischaracterizes the evidence.
As Hudson County View previously noted during Roque's cross-examination, Sepulveda told the jury that Roque told a blatant lie by testifying he went on 179 days of active duty for the U.S. Army in 2008.
Because the defendant was here at the beginning of June, talked about coming back in July, talked about coming back in August, and his tour, his serving in the medical reserves, it didn't end on December 3rd. It ended at the beginning of September, the beginning of the school year. He didn't go back. So when he got up there and he told you, I had a tour of 179 days, 6 months, and I served it almost entirely, so I wasn't here. There is no other word for that than a lie.
Sepulveda also noted that multiple individuals delivered envelopes of cash to Roque, which is corroborated by Humara Paracha, Raza Chaudhry, Jose Lopez, and Judith De Leon, and that witnesses also provided sufficient evidence to show a decrease in referrals to American Imaging when bribes were laid.
I'm John Heides with Hudson County View, the eye of the community.